You know that feeling when you're chasing your dreams, pouring your heart and soul into something you're passionate about? It's exhilarating, isn't it? The thrill of the unknown, the rush of adrenaline, the sense of purpose and fulfillment. But then there is that one person, the one who always seems to find fault in everything you do. They are like a storm cloud on the horizon, always ready to rain on your parade. Maybe you should be doing something more practical, or you're not good enough, or you're just wasting your time. And you know what? No matter what you do, no matter how hard you try, there will always be someone who criticizes. Because let's face it, people are always going to have opinions. And sometimes those opinions can be hurtful, damaging, and downright discouraging. But here's the thing, those opinions are not yours to own. They are not a reflection of your worth, of your abilities. They are just a reflection of someone else's limitations and fears. So what do? Do you let those voices drown out on your own inner voice? Do you let them dictate your path? No, absolutely not. Because when life gets tough, and it will get tough, it's your passions and your dreams that keep you alive. It's the thing that make you feel most alive, most connected to yourself and to the world around you. So don't let anyone dim your light. Do not let anyone take away your spark. Because when you're doing what you love, when you're living with purpose and passion, that's when you're truly unstoppable. Follow your dreams, follow your passions, and never let anyone else tell you otherwise.